Come test drive the 2020 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, ABS 4-wheel, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, auto off headlights, side head airbag, bucket seats, child safety locks, electronic stability control, MP3 player, passenger airbag, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.